So yesterday, everybody kept asking me, are you a speaker because of my black lanyard? So I'm a speaker now. So surprise. I am Siddharth. I am from Johnson & Johnson. And what I'm going to be talking about is Let Non-Devops Deploy to Kubernetes. So enterprises face this problem usually, that what happens is they have like 50 teams that want to deploy applications, and there are lots of processes that drown these application requests to be deployed. So you want to deploy them in Kubernetes. You can't have 50 teams be trained on Kubernetes fastly. So you need a way to create a platform for those teams to have something deployed. And also, Kubernetes has lots of things for you to deploy before your application is actually accessible, which are listed here: pod, deployment, service, ingress. So what is the solution? So there is a Go project, which is part of CNCF, that is Knative, that can be used in this scenario. It's like you can consider it as like a open source AWS Lambda that you're deploying in your cluster. It's actually the open source code base of Google Run, you can consider. And so what happens essentially is you can deploy in Knative by just giving it a single YAML. Also, you can automate this with CI/CD pipelines for your teams. So less things to do for your application from done to production. Also, there is an activator service which handles auto-scaling events and holds your requests into queue so that while your infrastructure is triggering auto-scaling, your requests do not get lost. So it scales up as well. It pretty much behaves like a Lambda. It's a GSOC active project right now from CNCF. So it gives you pretty good, those who want to contribute through GSOC can also do that. So these are the repositories, sample repositories. This is the simple YAML that it tells. If you want auto-scaling, then that's what you can use. If you want machine learning models, there is something that builds on top of Knative, which is Kserve, which you can use. That performs pretty nicely in production scenarios. So thank you for that quick talk. I'm Siddharth from Johnson & Johnson, and you can find my links over there, siddharthpant.com. Thank you.